The MAXUS V90 Villa Edition is a unique motorhome produced by SAIC MAXUS. It's a two-story RV that expands vertically, providing a spacious living area. The main floor expands to 215 square feet and includes a living room, kitchen, luxury bar, and bathroom. An elevator takes you to the second level, which provides an additional 133 square feet of space. The interior living spaces can be outfitted with a variety of convenience and luxury items, such as a JBL sound system, washing machine, kitchenette, and air conditioner. This area can be used as an open sunlight room, a Zen tea room, or a study. The windows on this level can transition from clear to opaque, depending on your privacy needs. The Pebble Flow is an innovative all-electric RV designed by Pebble. It's constructed using an all-aluminum space frame, lightweight composite, and sustainable materials, following rigorous automotive manufacturing processes. The RV is 300% as aerodynamic as a conventional travel trailer, resulting in improved mileage, extended range, and a safer towing experience. The interior is spacious and well-lit, featuring panoramic windows that offer a 270 degrees view. The furniture is convertible and the RV includes clever storage compartments, allowing you to customize the space to your liking. It also features a silent HVAC system, an indoor-outdoor kitchen with a removable indoor-outdoor induction range, a 4-in-1 convection microwave oven, and a full-size fridge. The MAXUS V90 Villa Edition is a unique motorhome that expands to a two-story structure, offering a total of 215 square feet on the main floor and an additional 133 square feet on the second level. It's equipped with smart features like LED lighting, a JBL sound system, and a pull-out cooking area. However, it's primarily meant for the China market and sells for over $413,000. On the other hand, the Bond Voyage from LG Labs is a 20 square meter, two-story open structure that was released at Wanderlust Korea in Seoul in August 2023. It was later upgraded into a camping trailer, providing a cozy living space with a fully functional kitchen. RC12M is a luxury motorhome by RC Motorhomes, built on a Volvo FH chassis with a 540 horsepower turbo diesel engine. Known for its clean design, it features 4 massive slide-outs, a 7-meter awning, and a large rear car garage, providing a living space akin to a luxury apartment. The interior layouts can be customized to your needs. A unique feature of the RC12M is its massive garage that can accommodate a sports car. It also has large underfloor compartments for storage, a 7-meter sun canopy that extends 4 meters, and a rear-wheel steering system for better maneuverability. Often described as a superyacht on wheels, the RC12M redefines luxury travel. Clearly, the RC12M has masses of space, inside and out, but there's always masses of items you need to carry that you don't want inside the motorhome. The RC12M's clever design allows large underfloor compartments that home huge amounts of equipment. A beautiful 7-meter sun canopy that extends 4 meters to give you a massive 28 sq meters of coverage at the touch of a button. With a custom-made exterior lighting solution built into the arms. Falcon Expedition 700 is a 7-meter-long off-road camper RV designed for low wind resistance and equipped with a double axis. The Falcon Expedition 700 is an off-road camper trailer designed for serious adventurers. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions, with features like a heavy-duty chassis, independent suspension, and all-terrain tires. It also has a spacious interior with a queen-size bed, a dinette, and a galley kitchen. This new top-lift off-road Caravan RV is impressive, designed specifically for off-road adventures, making it an ideal RV for road trips. Please note that the actual images of the Expedition 700 are not available on the company website, only renderings are provided. The Conquer Falcon Expedition 700 is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a rugged and capable off-road camper trailer. It's packed with features that make it perfect for long-distance adventures, and it's built to last. STARLINER SL25 is a luxury motorhome that weighs 7.5 tons and features 2 slide-outs to expand the interior space. One of its unique features is its rear garage, which is quite rare for a motorhome of its size. The STARLINER SL25 is a series of van conversions from Swiss maker Maurer, and it uses a 7.5-ton Iveco daily chassis as its base. The body of the SL25 is a GRP monoshell, and it offers everything from 2 queen-sized beds to a car garage, full automation, and premium features. The STARLINER SL25 RG Executive is longer than a standard SL25 series model, offering 9.2 meters of interior length, whereas the standard is 8.3 meters. Inside, you'll find sleeping for 4 people in 2 queen-sized beds, seating for the same number of people during transportation, a full bathroom, a full kitchen, a dinette and a lounge area, and luxury trims and finishes. Everything on board is fully automated, from the LED lights to the exterior storage, the massive awning, the skylight, the slide-outs, and the garage door. The Raptor X is an off-road caravan from Royal Flair, a leading Australian caravan manufacturer. Designed for adventure holidays, it combines luxury with the functionality of a toy hauler. The Raptor X is surrounded by a fully customizable roof rack and rear ladders, allowing for additional rooftop storage options for items like kayaks and fishing gear. It features a large toolbox with a fridge slide and generator slide, long storage above, a rear folding tray, and cargo baskets. The Raptor X comes standard with ample internal storage areas, generous sleeping quarters, a slide-out kitchen with twin gas bottles, internal and external shower facilities with a 95 LT water tank, and an inner-drive system for maximum power generation. There's also a variant called the Raptor XC, which is a fully insulated caravan with panoramic windows. The sleeping area can be extended from 4.80 m to a length of 6.90 m, optionally also with an electric motor. The weight of the campervan Raptor XC is 1,260 kilograms. CMC ATHENA Motorhome. CMC ATHENA is a luxury motorhome from CMC Caravan, an Italian manufacturer renowned for its high-quality luxury trailers and special vehicles. The ATHENA is part of their custom motorhomes range, which are fully customized motorhomes ranging from 14.00 to 18.00 meters. One of the standout features of the ATHENA is its innovative slide-and-slide design, which significantly increases space, transforming the ATHENA from a mere motorhome into a true home on wheels. The construction, systems, and furnishings of the ATHENA are all customized according to the client's needs. CMC Caravan is committed to developing new technological solutions, improving the quality of materials, and reducing the environmental impact of their vehicles. CMC Caravan, also known as CMC Italy, is not a name that we regular, average salaried folk are used to, and the reason for that is found in the products they make. CMC calls them luxury motorhomes, but in reality, they're super custom trailers that pop up to incredible size once at camp. SealVans Amphibious Caravan is a unique product from Turkish startup SealVans that merges the functionalities of a boat and a traditional caravan. It's designed to transition smoothly between land and water operations. There are 2 models available. The SealVans Amphibious Caravan can function as a traditional land-based caravan or a fully functional boat, depending on the intended use. Unlike other amphibious vehicles, SealVans transition between land and water without the need for additional modifications or complex procedures. The compact Seal 4.20M, which weighs under 750 kilograms and is designed for shorter trips, and the larger Seal 7.50M, which is intended as a family holiday vehicle. Both models are equipped with a functional kitchen, a compact bathroom with a shower, and comfortable seating. The Seal 7.50M can be powered by either a 50 HP Honda outboard motor or an electric propulsion system with a maximum speed of 13 knots. The primary distinction between the two versions lies in their dimensions and finishes, which are dependent on the size. The Seal 4.20 meters, 13.8 feet, is a compact version, weighing under 750 kilograms, 1,653.5 pounds. It's specifically designed to serve as your other suitcase for shorter trips. Due to its smaller size, it's ideal for up to 2 adults and, depending on locals' laws, may not require any special permits for use on the water. The Dembell is a luxury motorhome that rides on a 3-axle Mercedes chassis and is designed to be the world's most luxurious land yacht. It features 3 expandable modules and offers amenities typically found in a superyacht. The Dembell Motorhome is built without compromise, developed with the comfort of a luxury yacht and with unique engineering and design innovations. There are 3 models of the Dembell Motorhome, each with different garage sizes and variable interior layouts. All models have a sleek, unbroken surface and the best paintwork possible, with the signature Dembell red stripe used as a trademark. Each model has a comfortable living area, 2 or 3 slide-outs, a 4.8 kilowatts diesel generator, a 24V energy storage system, a 2x230V/16A power supply, a 1000 to 2000 W electric heating, a 1000L fresh water tank, a 460L gray water tank, and a 400L toilet tank. The Dembell Motorhome is powered by a 530 horsepower 12.8L engine inline 6.